So let's just talk about doubly linked list. So previously we have talked about this singly linked list where we start from the head node and we can traverse all the nodes in a single direction. So here each node has two parts. It has the data part and the address to the next node. Now in case of doubly linked list, each node has three parts. So it contains the data, a pointer to the next node, and also it has a pointer to the previous node. So all the nodes will have three parts. So each node is connected in forward and also in backward direction. So here it has link to the next node and also the node has the link to the previous node. So in case of the doubly linked list, we can traverse the list in forward direction and also in backward direction also, because all the nodes have link in both the direction. The last node has the next pointer to null and the first node has the previous pointer set to null. So in case of the singly linked list, we define one node using the structure. So we create the structure node, and inside the node it contains the integer data and one struct node type pointer which holds address to the next node. But in case of doubly linked list, because here we have the previous pointer and the next pointer, so here to define the node we can use the structure. Now inside the structure it will contain the data. So here we have to define the previous pointer, struct node type pointer prev, and also it has the next pointer. So here we have to use struct node type pointer next. So here we are using only one pointer, but here we have pointer to the previous node and the pointer to the next node. So here we can define node for the doubly linked list. So we're gonna use the structure node. Now in the node we're gonna have one integer data, and also it will have the structure node type pointer prev, and also it will have the structure node type pointer next. So this is the definition of the node in doubly linked list. Now to allocate memory for a single node, we can use the malloc. So we're gonna create the struct node type pointer head and we have to allocate the memory. So we're gonna use the malloc. Now here we're gonna pass the size of one single struct type node. So this will allocate memory for one single node. Now it will return one void pointer, so we have to typecast it to the struct node type pointer. So this way we can allocate memory for a single node. So here we can set head arrow data. So we can store the data 100 and we can assign the previous pointer to null, and also we can assign the next pointer of the node to null. So this way we can create one node in doubly linked list where the data will be 100 and both of those pointers will be null. So the data will be 100 and the previous pointer will be null and the next pointer will be null. So let's just talk about the advantages of using the doubly linked list. So first of all, because here we have link to the next node and to the previous node, so because of that we can traverse the list in both directions. And secondly, here the insertion of a node and deletion of one node are more flexible because we have both the next pointer and the previous pointer. And also it has some disadvantages also. So first of all, because here we have multiple pointers, we have the next pointer, we have the previous pointer, so because of this it will require more memory. And secondly, implementing one doubly linked list is little complex because here we have multiple nodes, each node has multiple links. So here each node have to maintain link to the previous node and also to the next node, which makes the implementation of doubly linked list little complex. So this is the way we can implement doubly linked list. Hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.